Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect the antennas to Synology router. And to do this, first thing to note is that there's 4 antennas that we'll need to screw, and they don't have any markings, which means you can connect the antennas to whichever port you want, and there's 4 of them, so one right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here. And all you have to do is just adjust the antenna side to the screw and screw them like this. Also, I would recommend to make sure that your router is disconnected from the power, just in case. And here we have it. We've successfully connected all 4 antennas with that router. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.